Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel Deep's Home Life. Hope you are all doing well. So today recipe is apple kimchi and this is one of my most favorite recipe and I highly recommend to you all that you should try. For this recipe, you will need Granny Smith apple, gochugaru. If you don't have gochugaru, just mix red chili flakes and red chili powder, soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, or you can use white vinegar also. Chili oil recipe I share already, so I'll share link again in the description. Salt to taste. Mix apple. Now add sugar and toasted sesame seed and mix again and enjoy as a side dish. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Annyeong.